Let us solve the question number 5 of exercise 5.4, and this is very important and tricky question as well. And this question says a small terrace, this is the terrace, at a football ground comprises of 15 steps. This means there are 15 steps in this terrace: step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 up to 15, and which is 50-meter long, and the length of each terrace, like this, length of each step is 50-meter, and built of solid concrete, and each step of this terrace is built of solid concrete. Each step has a rise of 1/4 meter. This means the rise, you can say the height of each step is 1/4 meter, and trade, this means the width of each step is 1/2 meter, and we have to calculate the total volume of concrete required to build the terrace. This is the question. Let us solve the question. Let me make you understand the structure of the first step. It would be like this. This is length of a step, this is width of each step, and this is the height of a step. So the structure of a step is like a solid. So we can say the volume of concrete required to build the first step is 1/2 multiplied by 1/4 multiplied by 50, and if we cancel out 2 and 50 we get 25. So this is equals to 25/4 meter square. So the volume of concrete used in to build the first step is 25/4 meter cube. Same as the concrete used in to build second step is 2 into 25/4 meter cube, and same as in third 3 into 25/4 meter cube. So now we have an AP like this. 25/4 is the first term, second term is 2 into 25/4, and third term is 3 into 25/4, and we have to find the sum of this AP up to 15 terms to find the volume of the terrace. Here is first term is 25/4, common difference is obviously 25/4, and the value of n is 15. Now we shall use the formula of sum, that is Sn equals to n/2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And if we put the values of n, a and d in this formula, finally we get the volume of concrete used in to build terrace is 750 meter cube. So this is the solution of the question. Thank you.